Hi, my name's Lindsay. I work here with MCRMAT, and I wanted to show you a new kit that we have, which, as you may know, Prestan launched a new line of female mannequins which feature an anatomically correct female. This just is a great addition to training centers to help fight inequalities in bystander CPR for women. And so we have put together some new kits, just like our old classics that are some of our best sellers, to feature this mannequin so that you can start getting them into your training centers and helping us fight this stigma. Let's open this box and see what's in it. So first, I'll pull out, as I mentioned, the Prestan Female. This is the Prestan Female Manikin. It comes in the same carry bag, but with the female logo on it. We open it here, and here is the Prestan Professional Female Body. The head attaches just like the other Prestan mannequins. I'll attach it here now. Just right on like that. This is the dark tone female. This kit will be the dark tone mannequins that I will show you. And then, like other adult mannequins, this comes with 10 lung bags to start, and also we'll have a QR code sheet in here that will take you to the manual for this mannequin. Next, I'll pull out the infant. It's our other mannequin for this kit. Again, this is just like the infant that you've grown to love from Prestan. Comes in the handy carry bag. And then we open it. We'll see, again, dark tone infant with the monitor in the diaper. As always, you'll put the batteries in here and light up that same depth and rate feedback that you're used to. This, like the other one, comes with 10-pack of lung bags to start, and then that QR code that you can use for looking up the manual and help on the mannequin if you need any help or troubleshooting. And then we have the AED Trainer for this kit, and this would be our Prestan Ultra Trainer. So this is the most popular Prestan AED Trainer that we sell. Again, the canvas blue bag, carry bag with the description of what's inside on it. Show you what's in here. So you open it, we have the trainer, obviously, with the pads here and the cord all separated. It comes with these extra buttons that hold on the pads in place. As you can see, they are the buttons that hold the pads here. So when you do need to replace these pads, typically after about 100 sticks or so, you can just pop these buttons out and put the new pads in. Like the other options, it comes with a QR code so you can look up that manual on Prestan's website. And now the fun part, the accessories. So all of our kits come with a kneeling mat, an MCRMAT kneeling mat, for a much comfier training, obviously, for your students. And then they will also come with accessories for your mannequins. So we have the baby bib, the ManiBib, which goes on the infant. I'll show you it on the infant here shortly. And then new with the female mannequin, we have the ManiBra, and that will be this. Again, I'll show you this on the mannequin in a moment. And this features our Please Save My Life tag, which you may have seen that video for. And then, like always, there's also a ManiVest, which will fit over the female mannequin and the ManiBra. So that is our Prestan Female Infant and AED Trainer kit. Here are those bibs I was talking about. It's a cute little bib for the baby. And then here we have the female mannequin's vest, and as I said, the ManiBra underside with that message, Please Save My Life, to try to fight these inequalities for women. You can get these at MCRMedical.com. Of course, there are other iterations of these kits. We have a kit for 2 female, 2 male, 2 infant, and AED trainers, and more. If there's any kit that you don't see on our website but need to make one that fits your needs, reach out to us. We can build a kit for you and figure out exactly what will help your training center. So I hope you enjoyed looking at these, and yeah, check us out online and see all that we have to offer there. Thank you.